Here we have a 79 Chrysler 300C. This thing is superb. All original paint except for that door that I just passed. Car is absolutely fantastic. It gets better every second. Every piece you look at, it gets better and better and better. If I didn't have too many cars, I'd keep it myself. But got to get rid of a few. So took this in from a guy, and it is absolutely, it's unbelievable. I'm telling you. Look at all the pictures. I'll start it up now. It runs perfectly. It drives perfectly. The AC is not charged. Hasn't been charged in 15 years. There it is running. AC needs a charge, and the passenger window doesn't work. So that needs a regulator, I'm sure, or I'm sure it needs a regulator. So I'm not gonna even guess. It just doesn't work. So just an unbelievable car. Whoever gets this car is gonna be thrilled. If you come and see it, you will buy it. I can assure you. I'll just go back and forth a little bit. I'll go back. So yeah, it drives perfectly. The brakes are perfect. The paint is amazing, especially for original paint. I mean, it's fantastic for any car. It's beautiful. Very, very